Last time I checked, he was a man on these streets, rolling double R like Obama in these streets, cause he stayed in the kitchen, whipping, thought he knew where he was, till then people started tripping, now they running around town, asking people what you flipping, is he planning on dipping, who's connected in with him, they folding like them chairs, out on your lawn, it's a cold ass game, you better not play the pawn when the heat turns up, you're either with it or you're not, either flipping or you're not. And if you wanna clear your name, pull up and bust that paperwork out. He had them kush by the pounds, them chickens at his mama house, water at the homie crib, but the cancer took him down. Damn, you bout that life, nigga? And all these niggas talking shit, like these bitches talking shit. Might see me in the Charlie spitting shit to a bitch. Yeah, I pulled your bitch, player.